Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making fish stew. This fish stew is so simple but delicious. I'm not going to be frying the fish. I enjoy fried fish, but sometimes I prefer cooking, as in using the fish without frying. But then there is how I prepare this fish that makes it so delicious. So sit tight and watch if you are a lover of fish. Let me show you what you do to eliminate that foul smell of fish, and you enjoy your meal even without frying the fish. So these are the ingredients. My fish, this is horse mackerel. I have here the green leaf you're seeing is mint leaf, and then I have garlic, I have ginger, onion, fresh tomatoes, bell pepper, some bell peppers. This is not the season of bell pepper, so you see those tiny ones in the market. I have thyme, I have oregano, I have fish spice. So I begin by boiling the fish. I don't need to add water. I'm just adding this fish spice. Then thyme. You can add curry if you wish. I just want to do only thyme, and then bouillon cube. Guys, look at, I was supposed to add onion to this. I don't know what I was thinking. I forgot my onion. So let me know in the comment section if this kind of a thing has happened to you before. Like maybe you're cooking, you forgot to add salt or pepper or whatever, and then after you are done, like when you're done cooking, that's when you know, oh, I was supposed to add this. So this is really where the thing is, the magic. You know, pepper, like if you use enough pepper to steam your fish, that fish, even without frying, like it would taste good. So this is actually like 5 minutes after putting it on heat. Look at the water. I didn't add water, but then look at the fish already has water and it has released its own water. Another thing I did, like, that is wrong, that is vexing me, in fact, like, why would I use small pot like this to steam my fish, you know? And I needed it to have this space so that I can turn it whenever I want. But the pot is too much. It's too small. When you're doing yours, like when you're making, try to use a wider pot so you can move it anyhow you want without scattering it. So I've already removed the seeds from the bell peppers, and then I just trying to, you know, slice the peppers, the ginger, garlic, and everything, so that it will be easier for my blender to crush them. So to my oil, I added, this is a vegetable oil. I allowed it to heat up for some minutes, and I went in with little salt, my onion, and then the mint leaf. Guys, I added this mint leaf. I just need a bit of freshness. You know, you can use anything fresh. You can use fresh parsley, you can use fresh oregano leaf, you can use anything fresh thyme, whatever, to give it that freshness, or basil, any of these, you know, leaves or herbs that you prefer. Go ahead and use. So I've added our tomato mix or our pepper mix, whatever. So this is just all we need for this stew. Just allow the tomatoes to fry in the oil. So guys, this is about 20 minutes after, and it is good to go. I just added dry oregano. So now I'm going in with the fishes. Is it fishes or fish? So I'm putting them in. Hey, what happened? You see, look at that thing is the head of the fish. Oh, I have really done justice to this, guys. As I was waiting for our tomato to fry, and I was just this one. So this is the fish water. Remember, I don't add water. This is just what the fish, release. So I will see put it back there. Guys, see how appetizing this our soup is looking. I needed to add little more salt. And then I just went in with just 1 bouillon cube. You can add little seasoning at this point, any seasoning of your choice. For me, I'm okay with the bouillon cube. But remember, this is a simple recipe. It doesn't need so much celery, like adding this rosemary, bay leaf, blah blah blah. No. This recipe doesn't call for bay leaf. Anything dry leaf is not for this recipe. Whatever leaf you're using, let it be fresh. We want it fresh. Guys, after adding the bouillon cube or whatever, we are done. Oh, still done ready. Oh, it's done ready. You just have to leave it to simmer on low heat for like 3 minutes. We are done. Wow, look at our fish stew. Look at our fish stew. If you feel like yours is dry, you can, after adding the seasoning, you can just put little water, like to loosen it up a bit. And that is it. Look at how yummy, how tasty, so guys, give this video a thumbs up, drop your comment for me, subscribe if you're new here. Trust me, I'm going to be giving you back to back good recipes. Thank you.